What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is just an update on the Dukes of Hazzard Monaco and the California Highway Patrol 78 Dodge Monaco. So I showed these wheels. Let me zoom in for you guys. And compared them to these ones here from the California Highway Patrol and said, you know, they're kind of the same, but they're a little bit different. Scale Model Mayhem. Jason, Scale Model Mayhem, left a comment on that video and said that these were the wrong wheels, and that they look like they're the ones from the AMT 69 Malibu SS. Now, on that part, I'm not too sure. These wheels were in the kit, the Dukes of Hazzard kit, when I got it, but there is also this set of wheels right here. Let me get them. They look like this. And these are the wheels that are mentioned on the instructions. And they are part number 63 and part number 30. You see, these are the same wheels, just off the tree. And I'll grab the instructions. So here's the Sheriff Roscoe's police car, the Dukes of Hazzard, 1/25th scale MPC. We got 63 and we got 30. And I still want you to put the chrome center caps on there. So those are the wheels for the Dukes of Hazzard kit. Now, I'm not going to say 100% that these are in this original kit or not, because this California Highway Patrol also has two sets of wheels, and then here's the ones that are also the same tree number, 30 and 63. So California Highway Patrol, 1978 Dodge Monaco. Instructions pretty much are exactly the same, but instead they're saying for 415 and 416, which is what this tree is, 415, 416. Whereas if I was building the Dukes of Hazzard, I would have the 30 and the 63s. So the California Highway Patrol has two sets of wheels in it. So that makes me believe that maybe the Dukes of Hazzard MPC Sheriff Roscoe might have had two sets of wheels, because anywhere on the instruction on both kits they do not mention that other set of wheels. Now, Jason over at Scale Model Mayhem may be right, and these might be to a different kit. But these are what they want you to use on the instructions for the Dukes of Hazzard. So like I said, if you get this kit to make a Dukes of Hazzard Sheriff Roscoe, you have the correct wheels that they would have wanted you to use. So there we go with the update. Sorry about the little bit of the confusion. There's two sets of wheels in the kit. I just grabbed the first set. I should have dug around a little bit better. So that was my mistake. So hopefully this kind of helps. I don't know if it did or not, but I just thought I would make a video to do an update since he pointed that out. And I would show you guys that there is two sets of wheels in the California Highway Patrol, and one set is the set that you would use for the Dukes of Hazzard. So thank you guys for stopping by, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.
This show is brought to you by the family. Thank you. Like and subscribe.